channel Chandra Reddy Nomura. Today discuss about number system. First of all, digits. The 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits, which can represent any numbers. Next, natural numbers. A number which are used for counting the objects are called natural numbers. They are denoted by n. Now n is equal to 1, 2, 3. There are infinity natural numbers and the smallest natural numbers is 1. Next, even numbers. A natural numbers which are divisible by 2 or even numbers, it is denoted by e is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Smallest even number is 2. There is no largest even number. The even number is formula 2 into n. Next, odd number. A natural numbers which are not divisible by 2 or odd numbers, it is denoted by O. Now O is equal to 1, 3, 7. The smallest odd number is 1. There is no largest odd number. The odd number is formula 2n plus 1. Prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 and divisible by only by 1 and itself are called prime number. The lowest prime number is 2. 2 is also is only even prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Next వచ్చేసి composite numbers. It is a natural numbers that has at least one divisor different from unit and itself. Every composite number more than have two factors can be factorized into its prime factorize. For example, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 24 is a composite numbers. The smallest composite number is 4. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers are co-prime of their HCF is equal to 1. That is called co-prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7 are co-prime numbers. Twin primes. Twin primes are prime numbers that different from each other by 2. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7. Sum of all the first n natural numbers is called n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n odd numbers is called n square. Sum of first and even number is called n into n plus 1. Whole numbers. The natural numbers along with 0 is called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. Now W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There is no largest whole numbers and the smallest whole number is 0. Integer. The number system consisting of natural numbers. Their negative and 0 is called integers. It is denoted by Z or I. Now Z or I is equal to dash dash minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The smallest and the largest integer cannot be determined. One is neither prime nor composite. One is an odd integer. O is neither positive nor negative. O is an even integer. 2 is a prime and even. All prime numbers are added except 2. The number line. The number line is a straight line between negative infinity on the left to positive infinity on the right. Real numbers. All numbers that can be represented on the number line are called real numbers. It is denoted by R. R plus positive real numbers. R minus negative numbers. Real numbers is equal to rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Now n subset of w subset of z subset q subset r. The rational numbers, any number that can be put in the form of p by q when our p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0 is called a rational numbers. It is divided by q. Even integers is a rational numbers. 0 is also a rational numbers. The smallest or largest rational numbers cannot be determined. Every fractions is a rational number. Now q is equal p by q, numerator by denominator. Irrational numbers. The number which are not rational or which cannot be put in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0 is called irrational numbers. It is denoted by q dash or qc. 2, 3, 5 is irrational numbers. Fraction. A fraction is a quantity which expresses a part of two whole. Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Type of fractions. Proper fraction. If a number is less than it is a denominator, then it is a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 5, 6 by 18. This is called proper fraction, and numerator is less, denominator is big. Okay. Now improper fractions. If numerator is greater than or equal to denominator, then it is improper fraction. 5 by 2, 18 by 7, 13 by 13. Mixed fraction. It is consist of integer and a proper fraction. For example, 1, 1 by 2, 3, 3 by 2, 7, 5 by 9. Mixed fraction can always be changed into improper fraction and vice versa. For example, 7 into 5 by 9, 7, 63, 68 by 9. It's called improper fraction. Okay, right. And 19 by 2 is equal to 19 2 plus 90 by 1 by 2, vice versa. Like fraction. Fractions with the same denominator, for example, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 18 by 12 is called like fraction. Same denominators. Unlike fraction. Fractions with different denominators, for example, 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 9 by 8, 9 by 2. Unlike fraction can be converted into like fractions. For example, 3 by 5 and 4 by 7 into 3 by 5 into 7, 7 by 7 is equal to 21 by 35 and 4 by 7 into 5 by 5, 20 by 35. Real number system. Here is given. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3. So 0 add is whole number. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 adds an integer. Rational numbers 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 5 by 9. Irrational numbers root 2.